Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. आंनि YouTube चेनेलाव नोंथांमोनखौ फिन बरायहरनाय थाबाय। दिनै आं नोंथांमोननि सिगाङाव जेनेरेल नलेजनि माखासे गोनां क्वेश्चन्स एन्ड आन्सार्स लानानै फैबावबाय। दिनैनि टपिकआनो जाहैबाय First in India and World Part 3। अब्ला नोंथांमोना भिडिअखौ जोबजासे नायलांबाय थादो। So let's start। Number 1. India's first man in space is Rakesh Sharma. Number 2. The first election commissioner of India is Sukumar Sen. Number 3. The first woman minister in a government is Rajkumari Amrit Kaur. Number 4. The first woman Chief Justice of High Court is Leela Seth. Number 5. The first Prime Minister of India who resigned without completing the full term is Morarji Desai. Number 6. The first person to get Param Vir Chakra is Major Somnath Sharma. Number 7. The first woman to climb Mount Everest is Bachendri Pal. Number 8. The first woman judge is Anna Chandi. Number 9. The first Indian commander-in-chief of Free India is General K.M. Cariappa. Number 10. The first Indian Chief of Naval Staff is Vice Admiral R.D. Katari. Number 11. The first woman to climb Mount Everest twice is Santosh Yadav. Number 12. The first woman president of Indian National Congress is Annie Besant. Number 13. The first woman chairman of UPSC is Rose Milian Batheo. Number 14. The first Indian member of the Viceroy's Executive Council is Sir S.P. Sinha. Number 15. The first Indian Air Chief Marshal is Air Marshal S. Mukherjee. Number 16. The first woman pilot in Indian Air Force is Harita Kaur Dayal. Number 17. The first woman Chief Minister of an Indian state is Sucheta Kripalani. Number 18. The first President of India who died while in office is Dr. Zakir Hussain. Number 19. The first Education Minister of India is Abdul Kalam Azad. Number 20. The first Speaker of the Lok Sabha is Ganesh Vasudeva Mavlankar. नोंथांमोनहा आंनि भिडिअखौ नायनानै मोजां मोनदोंब्ला भिडिअखौ लाइक खालाम, साबस्क्राइब खालाम, लोगोसे बेल आइकनखौबो थुनानै हो जाहाथे आंनि गोदान भिडिअफोरखौ नोंथांमोनहा मोनग्रोनो हायो। अब्ला दिनैनि भिडिअआ एसेनोसै। थेंक्स फर वाचिं।